Korean Fighter Experimental or Indonesia Fighter Experimental is a joint military development between Indonesia and South Korea. Given name as Boramae or the Fighting Hawk, this 4.5 Gen multirole aircraft have many advanced hardware and software that come to support in the battlefield. Have wingspan 9.8 meter, length 15.2 meter, dry weight 9.3 metric ton and maximum takeoff 20.9 metric ton. For the main engine, Boramae is endowed with two General Electric F414 afterburning turbofans which have normal thrust between 57.8 to 60 kilonewtons and with afterburner 90 to 97.7 kilonewtons, which makes Boramae reach a top speed of Mach 1.97 or 2,432 km per hour. In addition, Boramae have battle radius 750 km or 405 nautical mile and can fly 15,000 meter or 50,000 feet. For the main armament, Boramae have 9 hard point and can carry air-to-air missile MBDA Meteor and Deadly AIM 120 AMRAAM and AIM 9 Sidewinder and other precision-guided missile. For the radar compartment, Boramae fit with electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, infrared search and track, IRST, electronic optics targeting pod, EOTGP, and radio frequency jammer. KF-21 or Boramae designed to become very aerodynamic and have great maneuverability, with semi-stealth, semi-conformal missile launcher, advanced avionics, and air refueling capability. Make KF-21 Boramae have better performance than Eurofighter Typhoon or F-18 Hornet. For the development, Indonesia must pay 20% of 8.5 billion won or 1.6 billion won. That has been signed in 2016. KF-21 Boramae will be predicted to operate at 2026 and have range price between $50 to $60 million.